Hello guys, welcome back again. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show to you how to create this text effect cutout on Canva application. So the way to create it is so simple and it doesn't take a lot of time to create. So let's just jump to the tutorial. First thing first that you need to do is open your Canva like this and then create a new project. And for the size of the ratio from the page, it's up to you. You can use maybe a landscape or portrait, that's as you wish. And then the next step, add a text or using this text box onto the page. So for example, let me type Canva like this and then just go to the font and change the font onto this font. Let me show you the name of the font. The name is Pakaki and this one, and I would recommend it to you to use this top recommendation, this one, and then just change it onto this font. And now the next step that you need to do is increase the size from your text all the way like this. And then if you're willing to, you can change the color of it. For me, I would like to change it onto a pastel color, kind of like this. Okay, I think I will make it a little bit dark and change it onto a blue. Okay, now the next step that you need to do is duplicate this text design. Duplicate it, and on this duplicated text you need to move it onto the next page like this. And then the next step that you need to do is go to effect button on the second page like this, and then use this hollow effect and decrease the thickness from the outline onto 2, kind of like this. And now you can change the color from it onto a gray color like this. And then the next step, you just need to download this design. Click this button on your right corner from your screen. Go to download and change the type of the file onto PNG. Increase the size of the pixel and then just click download. But before that, don't forget to just check this page 2 or your current page right now. Downloading it and wait for a moment until the process is complete. Okay, now when you're done, you just need to move to the first page again and then go to your gallery and import the text design that you are saved previously, adding it onto the page like this. And then next step, you just need to go to the Magic Studio like this and then use the BG remover to remove the background from the design. Okay, just click it and then wait for a moment. Okay, now you just need to adjust the size or the thickness from the frame like this. And you can increase the size of it, make sure it has a same size and fit onto the text behind of the text design that you are import before on this page, kind of like this. Now drag it all the way to the side and duplicate it one more time and put the duplicated text on top in the side. And then on this duplicated text, you need to go to effect and then go to the duotone. Use this custom duotone and change all of the highlights and the shadow color onto white color, because we will try to change the color from it onto white color. And then click the background from your page, change the color of it onto the exact color that you want. Okay, so for me, maybe I would like to change it onto a gradient color. So just go to your element and then find the gradient color that you want to use. For me, maybe I would like to use this one. Okay, just use it as the background, kind of like this. And then the next step that you need to do is click the white color text on this position, then go to effect, add a shadow and use this drop shadow. And now we just need to adjust all of these adjusting tools on this section. And for the blur amount, let it on to 20, and for the angle you need to increase it onto 70, and for the distance decrease it onto 20, and then for the intensity decrease it to 40. Hit the check button when you're done. And now you just need to positioning the text on this position or on the same position with the main text. Okay, if it's a little bit hard for you to move it with your finger, you can use this nudge button. And then go to the gray color text design and go to effect and go to shadow effect and add a drop shadow effect. Here, as same as before, for the blur amount, let it on to 20, and for the angle, you need to increase it to 70, And for the distance, you can decrease it to 28, kind of like this. And then for the intensity, increase to 70. And then hit the check button when you're done. Now the next step that you need to do is positioning it onto the exact position with the main text. And then go to layers and put this gray color text behind of the white text, kind of like that. And now when you're done, you can see the result just by now. And that's the way how to create this cutout text effect on Canva application. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.